This is going to be a video product review of the Comfpack ice pack for knee pain relief, hot or cold. It is a compress type pack. You can wrap this around your entire knee for a cold pack after surgery, for swelling, for sprains, for knee pain. Provides relief from pain, swelling, inflammation, arthritis, tendonitis. Let me unbox this and show you what it is all about. The Comfpack ice pack. This is a solid ice pack. Look at this. It's nice and beefy, lots of material. There's some weight to this. This is quality. This is a great ice pack. This is something you would find if you were going to physical therapy. In the back, we have the ice pack. Put that in the freezer, get it nice and cold, insert it back in the package. Little flap over here, we close this down, put this around the knee. We've got nice straps over here, great Velcro pieces on both sides. Good material. This will treat the front of your knee and the back of your knee, depending on which way you position it. We have metal springs on both sides for support. You can put this on your knee, you strap this around your leg, adjust this with the right compression, and when you use the Comfpack, you need to know there is not just one ice pack. Here's the second ice pack. So, for me, I just prefer to put this in the freezer, put the whole thing in the freezer, get it all nice and cold instead of taking the packs out, but that's up to you. This thing will wrap around your leg. Let me show you what it looks like. I've got the top and bottom strap wrapped around, lots of compression, and then I have the final third strap that I can wrap around and give me lots of tightness here. This is secure on the leg. It's going to get the front of your knee cold, the back of your knee cold. It's going to keep the swelling down. A great product from Comfpack. Make sure you purchase this if you have any swelling, any knee pain after surgery. This is the product that you want.